students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video, I will cover the introduction part of class 8, chapter number 7, that is cube and cube roots. Okay, so we had heard about the cube, right, in the geometry. In the geometry, we had heard about the cube. Like this, we had seen the cube. This is the 3D cube, right? This is the 3D cube. But here, this is not the geometry, this is the algebra part. So, cube is like 2 cube, means 3 times multiply. Here cube means the raised to the power 3. Okay, we had seen in the chapter number 6 square and square root. So, there 2 square is equal to, okay, 2 square, 2 to the raised to square, this is the square part, okay. So, 2 into 2, we had multiply the 2 times. So, here if it is 3, that is raised to the power 3, means you have to write 3 times, okay. So, that is the cube, means 2 to the 4 to the 8, that is 8, okay. Likewise, we will see the next, if it is 4 cube, means 4 into 4 into 4. If it is 5 cube, means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Some more examples. If it is 10 cube, so 3 times. Means cube means here the number raised to the power 3 and it is the multiplication. How many times? 3 times multiplication. 3 times multiplication of the given number. Of the given number, right? If it is given 4, so the cube of the 4 is 3 times multiplication. It is given 5, so 3 times multiplication of 5. So that is the topic cube. Okay, that is not the, it is in the geometry, but we are saying in algebra. Okay, that is what it is called, raised to the power 3, right? So, this is the cube. Now, the next topic is perfect cube. What is the perfect cube? Like perfect square we had seen, okay. So, in the perfect square what we had seen, that is the pair of 2. Here perfect cube means we should have the pair of 3 in the factors. So, let us see some example here, that is if it, next topic is perfect cube. Okay, if it will be 216. So, by the prime factorization we will find the factors here. Here no long division method is here in the cube for getting the perfect cube or the factors. Okay, for the square, in the chapter of the square we had seen the long division method and prime factorization method, but in the cube and cube roots chapter we should have only the prime factorization method. So, here we will see for the 216, that is last digit is 6. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 1 14, 2 sevens are 14. 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. 1 is not, we will not take 1 as a, because it is not the prime number, okay. So, here you can see it is a pair of 3, okay. What you can write, 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 times, into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 times, okay. So, what you can write here is the pair of 3 for making cube, okay. So, 2 into 3, that is 6. So, 6 cube is equal to 216 or cube root of 216. Here you can see that we had the pairs of 2 and 3. So, that means it is a perfect cube. That is 6 cube is equal to 216. Okay students, next topic is this is the perfect cube. We are taking the second example. If it is a, we will check for 100. 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are, right? 2 25s are, then 5 5s are 25. Here you can see that it is not a perfect cube. How we will write here? 100 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. You can see that here it is the missing of 2, okay, and here also it is the missing of 5, right? So here you can see that this is not a perfect cube. If it is 1000, so this will be the perfect cube. 1000 will be the perfect cube of 10. Okay. So for this, what we have to do, we will cover in the next topic. Okay students, next topic is the perfect cube. If it is not a perfect cube, okay, so what we have to do, the smallest whole number that should be multiplied. So we will see the for one example for this. We will see for 392. First we will get the factors of 392 by prime factorization. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 1 19, 2 8s is here 2 9s are 18, 1 12, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 9s are 18, 1 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 1 18, 2 9s are 18. 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. So here what is the factors? 392 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 times, into 7 into 7. So here you can see this is the pair of 3, but 7 has no pair. Here it is the missing of 7 for the perfect cube. Okay, so 392 is not the perfect cube, not a perfect cube. So which number we have to multiply here? Here you can see the 7 is missing for the pair of 3. Okay, so what we have to multiply here? 392 into 7, right? So here 7 2s are 14, 1, 9 7s are 63, 64, 6, 7 3s are 21 and 27. So I will get 2744 is a perfect cube. Okay, this is the perfect cube of 14. It will get 2 into 7, right? So 7 2s are 14. This is the perfect cube for 2744 is the perfect cube for 14. Okay. Okay students, let's see the next topic. Smallest whole number that should be divided if it is not a perfect cube. Okay, so let's take one example, 81. So 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, so it will go by 3, it can be divided. Okay, so for checking divisibility test 3, you have to sum the digits, right? So 3 2s are 6, 7 8 21, 3 7s are 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So here you can see 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here I am getting pair 3. So what should be divided here? You have to break this 3. Okay, you have to exit this 3 because it has no pair. For multiplication we have to multiply 2 3s more, means 9 you should multiply, but for the division you have to exit this 1. 81 divided by 3. Okay, so that will be your the perfect square. 81 divided by 3, that is to 27. I am getting 27, that is the perfect cube. So for making perfect cube, there is two possibility. that for the smallest whole number that you can be multiplied or you can be divided. That is the question. Okay students, now the next topic is cube roots. So how we find the cube roots? By pairing the factors. Okay, so here 1000, first is 1000. So here 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. Okay, last is digit is 0, so it will go by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 10, 2 5s are 10. Then here 5 6 7 8. It will not go by 3, so it will go by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5s are 25. Here 5 1s are 5. Okay, so what is the factors here? Factors is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, right? So we should have the pair of 3. Okay, so here 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So under root cube root of 1000 is equal to 10, like this. Okay, number 2 is 512. Like way we have to prime factorize this one. This is 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 2 5s are 10, 1 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are 2 8s are 16. Here for 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here, okay, so you can see here these 3 pairs, these 3 pairs and these 3 pairs. Okay, so what it will be? I will write only 1 2 for the 3 pairs for the cube. For the square, you should remember that for the square we had pair of 2. Okay, with the pair of 2 we had write only 1 2, but here for the cube roots, for the cube means 3 times. So for the 3 times I will write only 1 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So this is the cube root of 512 is equal to 8. So this is the topic, this is the introduction topic I had covered for the cube and cube roots. So I hope you understood up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 7.1. Okay, so please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.